So hey guys, oh my, oopsies. Sorry. I know. Yeah. So, oh my God, why am I here? So let's do the part two. Guys, my parents subscribe to me, and rather doesn't subscribe to me. So let's get back to the story. In my head, I can make it good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever. We're gonna go down the flames. It's over. We're living worth the pain. The long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you you love the players and you love the game. Oh, sorry, guys. So three, two, one. Hey, bros. Hey. No, why are you still wearing pink? My girlfriend wears pink. Give me all of your stuff. Oh, we don't have enough juice. We like spicy. Where's the spicy area? Can we have one, two? Is it actually spice? Bro, hold it. Run. Guys, we got it. Oh. It's gonna forever. It's gonna go down in flames. To tell you it's over. Remove the words of pain. The long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you I'm insane. You know I love the players, and you love the game. You're reckless. You take it way too far. Okay, back to the story. Not that spicy. And alright to name. Love is torture. Stick glue? Say I didn't warn ya. Okay, guys. I don't have enough fingers. Uh, um, six fingers. Yeah, bruh. Love the players, and you love the game. Breathless, it's a nasty scar. The long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. Is it the blank space, baby? Now, alright to name. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I was distracted singing. Oh my god, what is that? Come on. Mm. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, guys, it will be a long time. Right? Sorry guys, that took so long. I have to say bye to my dad. Okay, 3, 2, 1 again. I'm gonna get food for both of us. Yeah, I'm gonna get food for both of us. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, where's one of the plates? Oh, don't eat the fries. Okay. I guess we have to try burger pizza. Mami, may assignment ako. 5 likes per part 2. Bye!